Hello, today we have the Windows 10 users tutorial, and let's get started now. So, here we have the notifications thing, no new notifications, but you have cool settings down here, like tablet mode, location, battery saver, and Bluetooth. Nightlight, mobile hotspot, airplane mode, nearby sharing, all settings, network, connect, project, VPN, focus assist, and screen snap. That is notifications thing. And then you have other controls down here. You have Microsoft Store to download apps.
It's one of these. White.
And more. So let's get over. Here's the start menu. So this is pretty much over here. This is all the apps you have here. All the apps you have downloaded to your computer. Page down, page down. No, page down won't work with it, I guess. No, let's keep Microsoft Edge. So I can probably make a new folder. And a new folder. Browsers. So you can create folders. And just have a couple of settings over here, like your name, your profile, documents, pictures, settings, and power. I'm using an HP right now. If you're using a Dell or an Acer, some things might just be a little different. But most things normal. They're all just Windows 10s. Like, if I can try getting just my computer screen to fit in here. So, here is the taskbar. You have this on every computer. Here it says type here to search. You're probably wondering what the circle is. I can pull that up to show you. The blue circle is talk to Quicon. And I think that's actually the end of the tutorial. Bye.